Welcome to online classes DU Nalgonda YouTube channel. Dear students, today we discuss surface areas and volumes. Surface areas and volumes. Only cuboid and cube. Cuboid and cube. We know daily life uses our books, compacts, construction of houses, bricks, carom boards, some daily life uses. Bricks, compass, matchbox, box, matchbox, box. Our daily life uses. Suppose, give an example. This box is which shape? Which shape? These are cuboids. Cuboids. These are cuboids. This box is cuboid. Our compact is cuboid. Our mathematics textbook is a cuboid. Draw the cuboid. First of all, rectangle. First one, rectangle. Another one rectangle. Another one rectangle. Right. Joint lines. This is a cuboid. This is a cuboid. Length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. This is a cuboid. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a face, rectangular face. This also rectangular face. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Faces 6. Plane area. Face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This area vertex. How many vertexes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertexes. Right, edges. these 2 points joint edge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. Edges 12. Face F, vertex V, edges E. F plus V is equal to E plus 2. This is the Euler formula. A plus V, faces plus vertex, places plus vertex is equal to edges plus 2, Euler formula. Euler formula. F plus V is equal to E plus 2, Euler formula. Right. Only manaku base, suppose base is rectangular, suppose base, 2 bases, base is rectangular, here also rectangle play base, length, breadth, right. We find lateral surface area, lateral surface area or curved surface area, perimeter into height, perimeter into height, right. Base of perimeter, base of perimeter into height. Suppose this is a base is which shape? Rectangle shape, rectangle length breadth, మరి మనకు base of perimeter rectangular ఏమవుతుంది? 2h into 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B, height h, curved surface area 2h into L plus B, 2h into L plus B, curved surface area 2h into L plus B, 2h into L plus B, h height, L length, A is equal to area, L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth, right. We know one more question. Write the formula, curved surface area cuboid and explain each word, curved surface area or lateral surface area, curved surface area or lateral surface area, right. Total surface area, we find total surface area, total surface area of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid. Students, carefully observation. Total surface area. Total surface area. Cuboid. Cuboid. CSA, curved surface area plus curved surface area plus 2 into area of base, 2 into area of base, area of base, right. Here also curved surface area 2h into L plus B, 2h into L plus B, right. 2 into area of base, here base, 2 bases, here also 2 bases. Suppose itla this, suppose itla, here also 2 bases. ఈ విధంగా తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి 2 bases, right. Any 2 bases, 2 base, base is rectangular, rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. మరి rectangle base L into B, area of base, area of base. ఎందుకు 2 బేస్ 2 ఇంటూ ఏరియా అనుకున్నాం. ఇట్లా తీసుకుని చూడండి 2 ఏరియాస్ 1 2, ఇట్లా తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి 1 2, 2 బేసెస్, 2 ఇంటూ బేస్ ఎల్బి. ఇయర్ 2 హెచ్ఎల్ plus 2 HB plus 2 LB. In a order 2 LB plus 2 BH 2 LH, right. Here common factor 2 is the common, 2 is the common, LB plus BH plus LH, LB plus BH plus LH. TSA, total surface area, total surface area TSA is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, LB plus BH plus LH, right. Curved surface, we prove that curved surface area, total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. TSA, total surface area, L length, B breadth, H height, right. Volume of the cuboid, volume, volume, volume of cuboid, area of base, area of base into height, area of base, right. Suppose this is a rectangle, the cuboid, sorry, this is a cuboid, this area, this base is rectangle, this base is rectangle. Suppose this base is rectangle, మరి area of the rectangle L into B, area of the rectangle L into B into height, into height. Volume is denoted by V. V is equal to LBH, V is equal to LBH, V is equal to LBH. We know we generally area is denoted by square units, centimeter, also square centimeter area. Meters, area of square meters. Volume is denoted by cubic units. Cubic units. Cubic units. Cubic units. V is equal to LBH. This is a cuboid. This is a cuboid. Curved surface area, total surface area, and volume. We find volume, curved surface area, total surface area, CSA, CSA, curved surface area, TSA, total surface area. Total. We discuss some problems, only cuboid. Some problems discuss, students. We discuss cuboid, curved surface area, 2h into L plus B. Total surface area of cuboid, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid, V is equal to LBH, V is equal to LBH. Right, here one problem is solved. It find the surface areas of a cuboid whose length, breadth, height are 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. First of all, given problem, measures always same units. First, same units. Any height, length, breadth, all measures are same units undali. Right. Here L is equal to 15, L is equal to 15, B is equal to 12, H is equal to 10. Surface areas అంటే 2 ఉన్నాయి. One is curved surface area, CSA, curved surface area, curved surface area, curved surface area is equal to, curved surface area is equal to 2h into L plus B, 2h into L plus B, 2 H, H10, L 15 plus B 12. 2 tens are 20, 15 plus 12, how much? 27, 27, 20 into 27, 0 betti, 2 sevens are 14, 1, 2 twos are 4, 5, 540 square centimeters, square centimeters. This is a CSA, this is CSA. Right. Second one, total surface area, total surface area is equal to, we know formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, LB plus BH plus LH. Right. L 2 into L 15 into 12 plus BH 12 into 10 plus LH 15 into 10. Right. 2 into 15 12s are 15 12s are 15 10s are 150, 15 2s are 30, 150 plus 30 180 plus 12 10s are 120 plus 15 10s are 150. Sum of 180 plus 120 plus 150. Here 100 100 200 200 100 300 300 80 plus 20, 100, 400. 400 plus 50, 450, 450, 450, right, 0. 45 twos are 90, 900 square centimeters, square TSA, total curved surface area, TSA 900 square centimeters, curved surface area 540 square centimeters. Next problem chudandi. This is a figure. This figure, find out given L is equal to 60. L is equal to 60. B is equal to breadth 40. Right. H is equal to 50. We find CSA, curved surface area, 2H into L plus B, 2H into L plus B, curved surface area 2H 50 into 60 plus 40, 250 is 100 into 100, 1 ones are 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000 square units. 10,000 square units. All measures are same units. Right. Another problem. Find the volume of a block of wood. Length is L is equal to 20 centimeters. B is equal to 10 centimeters. H is equal to 8 centimeters. Right. Volume V is equal to, we know formula. Tell me, LBH. Length into breadth into height. Right. 20 into 10 into 8. 20 into 10 into 8. 200. 2 zeros pettandi. 1, 2 zeros. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 1600 cubic centimeters. Volume is measures cubic units. Dear students, we discuss some more problems. A water tank is 1.4 meter long. 1 meter wide and 70 centimeters deep. Find the capacity of the tank. First of all, problem 1 or 2 times read and given data. Write given data. Long L is equal to 1.4 meter. Wide breadth B is equal to 1 meter. Deep or height, deep H is equal to 70 centimeters. Here we observe all measures same units. Here L 1.4 meter, B 1 meter, H 70 centimeters. E 2 is meters, height is only centimeter. Convert the meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 70 by 100. 0 0 cancel, 0.7 meters, 0.7 meters. Right, capacity of tank, capacity of tank, we find volume is equal to LBH, L 1.4 into 1 into 0.7, 1.4 ones are 1.1, 0.7, right, 1.4 into 0.7, 7 fours are 28, 2, 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9, 0 into 4, 0, 0 ones are 0, 8, 9, 0. How many digits? Digit 1, 2 digits, 1, 2 digits, 0.98 meter cube, 0.98 meter cube. Volume V is equal to 0.98 meter cube, 0.98 meter cube, right. Capacity, in convert the liters, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Volume is equal to 0.98 meter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeters cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Capacity of tank, convert the liters. V is equal to 0.98 into 1000 liters. 1000 liters. Right. Here, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 digits. 980 liters. 980 liters. Okay. The capacity of the tank. Capacity of tank is equal to 980 liters. 980 liters. Right. Another problem is solve. How many cuboids of size 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter? We know L into B into H. L into B into H. First one L, second one B, third one H can be made from a cuboid of size 12 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 6 centimeter. L length, L, B, H, right. Required cuboids, direct formula is required cuboids, volume by volume. Volume of big size cuboid by volume of small size cuboid, right. 12 into 9 into 6 by 4 into 3 into 2, 4 into 3 into 2, 4 ones are 4 threes are, 4 ones are 4 threes are, 3 3 cancel, 2 ones are 2 threes are, 2 ones are 2 threes are, 9 into 3, 9 threes are 27. How many cuboids? 27 cuboids. 27 cuboids. 27 cuboids. Okay. Remaining problems we practice. Me mathematics teacher. Okay. Yes, students. First of all, we discuss cuboid, matchbox, brick, compass, daily life uses, books, table. These are room. Room is a cuboid. Right? We play dice. Dice is a dice. Length, breadth, height are equal. Length, breadth, height are equal. This dice is a cube. Right. Side A. All sides are equal. A. Some denoted by L also. Side A. Right. Same also faces is equal to 6. Vertex are 8. Edges are 12. Same. Cuboid or cube also same. Here we find curved surface area. We prove curved surface area. Right. Base of perimeter into height. Base of perimeter into height. Its base is square. Square perimeter 4a. Height is the A. Length, breadth, height all are equal. This is called cube. Right. 4a into A. A into A square. A square. Right. Curved surface area of cube. 4a square. Square units. 4a square units. A means, capital A means area. Small a means side. Total surface area is equal to CSA curved surface area plus 2 into area of base. Two bases. ఇట్లా వచ్చిన 2 bases. Here 4a square plus 2 into a square. Area of base square area of square, side into side, a into a square. 4a square plus 2a square, 6a square. TSA is equal to 6a square. Total surface area 6a square. Square units is same. all units are same, then no converted same units, right? Volume of cube, volume of cube, volume of cube, base into height, area of base, area of base into height, area of base into height. V is equal to a square into a, height is the a, base is square, base is square, square area of the square, a into a square, a square into a cube, a square into a cube. V is equal to a cube. Cubic units, cubic units, cubic units. Diagonal of cuboid, diagonal of cuboid, diagonal of cuboid, d is equal to root of l square plus b square plus h square. Diagonal of cuboid, diagonal of cuboid, LBH, diagonal of cuboid, root of L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal of cube, diagonal of cube, root of a square plus a square plus a square. Length, breadth, height are all are equal. A square plus a square plus a square. A square plus a square and the 3a square. 3a square root of no square root 3 కాబట్టి root 3a. D is equal to root 3a. Diagonal of cube, diagonal of cube, D is equal to root 3a. We discuss curved surface area of cube 4a square, total curved surface area of cube 6a square, volume of cube a cube, volume of cube a cube, diagonal of cube root 3a, root 3a. Some problems discuss. First one, find the area, surface areas of the cube. Side is 8 centimeter, side is 8 centimeter, right? Given a is equal to 8 centimeter, a is equal to 8 centimeter, right? First of all, CSA, total CSA, sorry, curved surface area 4a square, 4a square, 4a square, 4 into a means 8, 8 square, 4 into 8 square, 8 8s are 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64. Curved surface area 4 4s are 16, 1 4 6 are 24, 25 square centimeters. Units meter unte square meter, centimeter unte square meter, right? Next to TSA, total surface area, total surface area 6a square, 6a square, total surface area 6a square. 6 into a means 8, 8 square, 8 8s are 64, 6 into 64, 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 6s are 36, 36 plus 2 38, 38 square centimeter, square centimeter, right? Given problem, given data is side is 8 centimeter. Find curved surface area, total surface area, right? Another problem, if total curved surface area of a cube is 96 square meters, find the side of cube. Right, here manak TSA formula, TSA given data TSA is equal to 96. మరి TSA ఫార్ములా ఏంది 6a స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 96. a స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 96 బై 6. 96 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 3 6 36. 6 6 are. A square is equal to 36. A square is equal to 36 no 6 square. Powers are equal, bases are equal. Bases are equal, so powers are equal. A is equal to 6. Side is equal to 6 meters. Square meter. This side is 6 meters. Right, given figure, find the surface areas and volume below figure. మరి values suppose 50. This also 50. This also 50. Length, breadth, height are equal. Side given, side A is equal to 50. A is equal to 50. Surface areas, CSA, curved surface area, 4A square. 4 into A 50 square. 4 into pi square, 25, 2 zeros. 25 fours are 100, 2 zeros. 10,000 square units. 10,000 square units. 10,000 square units. Right, TSA, total surface area 6A square. 6A square, 6 into 50 square. 6 into 2500. Right, 2 zeros. 6 5s are 33. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15,000 square units. 15,000 square units. Again, find value. V is equal to A cube. V is equal to A cube. A side 50 cube. 50 into 50 into 50. 50 into 50 into 50. Right. 1 2 3 zeros. 1 2 3 zeros. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Cubic units. Cubic units. Given figure, side is 50. Side is 50. Find surface areas. Surface areas means curved surface area, total surface area. Right. Last problem. Find the side of a cube whose volume is 1000 meter cube. Given data, volume is equal to 1000. Volume is equal to 1000. Volume formula, V is equal to A cube. V is equal to A cube. A cube is equal to 1000. A cube is equal to 1000. A cube is equal to 1000. 10 cube. 1000 means 10 cube. A is equal to 10 meters. A means side. A means side. Cubic units la సెంటీమీటర్ ఉంటే సెంటీమీటర్ ఇంటూ సెంటీమీటర్ ఇంటూ సెంటీమీటర్ 3 times సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్. గివెన్ మీజర్ సైడ్ మీటర్, మీటర్ ఇంటూ మీటర్ ఇంటూ మీటర్, మీటర్ క్యూబ్, మీటర్ క్యూబ్. రైట్. సమ్ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి మీ గణిత ఉపాధ్యాయుని చూపించండి.